In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into MetaMask. We'll walk through the full sign-in flow from a fresh browser session, and I'll share a few helpful tips along the way so you can log in smoothly and securely. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type MetaMask in the search bar. Before you click anything, take a second to verify you're going to the official site. Look for the MetaMask IO domain and avoid sponsored ads that might look similar. When in doubt, check the URL carefully and consider bookmarking the official page for next time. Once you're on the official MetaMask site, locate the login option and click it. This takes you to the MetaMask sign-in page for your account. A quick note here, this login is for your MetaMask site account, which is used for services like the developer portal and related features. It's separate from unlocking your wallet extension with a password or recovery phrase. You do not need to enter any secret recovery phrase on this page. On the login screen, click into the email field and type the email address associated with your MetaMask account. Make sure there are no typos and confirm you're using the same email you used when you created the account. Next, enter your password. If you use a password manager, let it fill this securely for you. If you're typing it manually, check that caps lock isn't on and that you're entering the correct characters. Strong, unique passwords are always a good idea. After your email and password are in place, click the button labeled Sign In with Email. Give it a moment to process. If anything doesn't load right away, wait a few seconds before trying again. You may be prompted to verify you are human. Click the Verify You Are Human button and follow the on-screen verification. This step helps protect your account from automated sign-in attempts. Complete the challenge and you'll be returned to the login flow. Once verification is complete, you should be signed in and redirected to your account area. From here, you can continue with whatever you came to do, confident that you used the correct official login process. For your security, always double-check the URL, avoid clicking suspicious links, and never share sensitive information like a secret recovery phrase. If you ever have trouble signing in, confirm your email and password are correct and access the official help resources from the MetaMask site. That's it, simple, secure, and done.